dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The All Progressive Congress in Edo State said that their candidate for September 21st governorship election, Mondo Okpebholo, is better placed to win the poll. But my people, PDP don't dismiss the claim, expressing confidence to retain power in the state. I follow this for matter. But my people, before I go bring this matter, come give una a go like, welcome on, especially to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest, your home of news and politics. So my people, if today is your first time to join this wonderful channel, I beg, may you like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to turn notification bell so that anytime our news drop, you go be the first to watch am. My people no be small matter. But make una dey relax. I go dey bring una the tori as they come our way one after the other. To my all amazing subscribers, I welcome una especially. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So my people, may we dive into the main gist. The All Progressive Congress of Edo State said that their candidate for the September governorship election, Mondo Okpebholo, is better placed to win the poll. But my people, the ruling People Democratic Party don't come dismiss the claim, expressing confidence to retain power in the state. So according to APC, they say like unlike the candidates of the PDP, RI0USLY, and his Labour Party candidate, Olumide Akpata, who grew up outside Edo State. So APC don't come out on the talk say Mondo Okpebholo is a homeboy, that he will easily win the hearts of the people. Say RI0USLY and Olumide Akpata, though say they born them for Edo State, but they don't grow up for Edo State. They grow up outside Edo. So there is nothing like an outsider in this election. Say wetin they want to be saying a homeboy, and Okpebholo is the best candidate for that. I put up a small matter. The APC chairman of Edo State, Jared Tinibe, who spoke to one of the correspondents on Sunday, said that the state would stop Governor Godwin Obaseki from extending his tenure using RI0USLY. He added that the APC did not consider Akpata of the Labour Party as a retreat. So he don't know about the Labour Party, Olumide Akpata, but he knows RI0USLY that much. That RI0USLY is not a politician. And he doesn't even vote here. That he was just registered about a few weeks ago and he would be spending the government money through Governor Godwin Obaseki. So he thought that they have had enough of Obaseki. That Edo people are wise now. That for instance, just 30 minutes rain in Edo State. My people bold like oh yeah butter. That everybody will be locked up wherever they are. They can't even go out. So it is that bad. That is why the people of Edo State want to replace RI0USLY with Senator Mondo Okpebholo, and he has been accepted by the Edo people because he's a homeboy. So what APC they try to tell us say Mondo Okpebholo was born in Edo State and he schooled and grew up in Edo State, so he knows where they should pinches everyone. He went to the farm and he understands what it is for a poor person to grow up. Tinubu added that unlike RI0USLY, who was raised in a city and did not experience poverty while growing up, so Mondo Okpebholo, who grew up in the village, will better relate to the problems of the people. So Mondo Okpebholo knows what it means for a poor man or woman to raise the children up to secondary school level in the state. So this is why they are confident that he knows what to do to improve the life of Edo people, unlike RI0USLY, who was born with a golden spoon in his mouth, and he has never experienced anything like going to the farm or fetching water from the stream. My people no be small water, see packaging. My people no be small wahala. They gave an illustration that when RI0USLY father died about 4 years ago, that was when he came to Esan for the first time in his life. So it is more like to make God's voice than education, that he's more of a Lagos boy than a Edo State. That a fresher like RI0USLY would only compound some of the challenges in the states rather than to solve them. So it is not just that RI0USLY didn't grow up in Edo, that he also does not speak any of the local dialects. That for example, if someone have a patient who need a diagnosis, that the person have to understand the patient language to be able to communicate, to know what to diagnose. So right now, Edo State is sick and they need someone who can diagnose and solve their problem. This is where Mondo Okpebholo comes in. My people don't be smart matter, because Mondo Okpebholo can speak all the 3 languages of Edo State and he understands the people. Besides, he has already shown them that he is more than capable with all the work he has been doing in his senatorial district. So these are what they believe he can replicate and surpass in the state as governor. So on the other hand of Labour Party, they are telling us now that it's their friendly force. That Olumide Akpata too is just like RI0USLY. He didn't grow up in Edo State. So the APC chairman is telling us that he doesn't have much to say about Olumide Akpata because he didn't see Olumide Akpata as a threat to them. Moreover, Olumide Akpata doesn't want RI0USLY and Governor Godwin Obaseki to continue occupying the Edo State government house. So, reacting to what APC chairman have said, the PDP Deputy National Publicity Secretary Ibrahim Abdullahi don't come out and dismiss the boast by the APC. They have expressed confidence that the PDP would retain power in Edo State. So Abdullahi said that it is just a game of way to outdo the PDP, that if it is their prerogative, there won't even have been an election. So it will be a case of just appointing anyone they like as governor. So it is not in the place of the Edo APC chairman to determine whom the people would vote for during the election. It is for the people to have their say. So the PDP has played their part by deciding on who they want to field. The APC should also field the one they call a homeboy and allow the people of Edo to make their choice. It is a question of who gets what, when, and how. That is what democracy is all about. That, as usual, they have started with their antics and it will not work. So it is something, they should expect. That they don't expect them to just embrace any candidate they bring without finding fault. They are a party. But what they are doing is no longer a factor in modern day politics. So there is no context that he is not from that state. Why are they not saying that? Instead, they are claiming he can speak the language. That is even if it is true that they are just intimidated and they are not going to be distracted. No matter what APC are saying today, they remain still. Because all these antis APC are bringing up is for them to use it to distract the PDP. But the PDP Deputy National Secretary is saying that they will never get distracted by APC. So whatever thing they want to say, they should say it. Now they are coming up with an issue of RI0USLY not speaking the dialects. But that is not an issue. So why are they not saying that he's not from Edo State? Well, they are still saying that he's from Edo State, but just that he cannot speak the dialect, that he's not a homeboy. My people of his small matter. I make I go know what I think about this issue in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Let's make the comment section lively, my people. They could send your comments. Make I know what I think about this forthcoming election in Edo State. But guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. To all our viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye.